I have always preferred referral process, okay, to get a job through the reference, okay. This works 100%, okay, and it is a quick way, okay, and a certain way to get into the job, any kind of job, okay. I have done in taxation, so I am very much confident in that, okay. And जिससे भी लगता है this reference doesn't work, okay, कुछ नहीं होता है, means you are following the wrong process of reference, okay. And again, watch this video, okay, and in next video I am going to tell my story of reference, did I get my internship, how did I get my every job to the reference, okay, and what is the right way of do referral, okay. So watch the full video and learn something today. Good morning guys, happy Sunday to you all, especially me, because season में Sunday का मज़ा ही कुछ और है, and sometimes you will have to give up your Sunday, okay, but इसके लिए अलग पैसे भी मिलते हैं, so nothing to worry about. This is fun. Okay, so today I am going to talk about how to get into the tax analyst job in any big four. Example: Deloitte, KPMG, UI, PwC, Grant Thornton. Grant Thornton is not in big four, but it is a big company. Okay, you can talk about the BDO also. Okay, so I am going to talk about the simple step, okay, how to get into this. If I miss something, okay, because every time I say I don't come up with a script, I don't come up with any editing, so I make raw video and upload because of the time constraint, okay. So first rule is, or first way to get into this kind of job is to education. I have already told you what we need education, okay. We don't have to do BCom also, okay. If you are engineer and have done MCom or have done MBA, you can also get into this job, okay. So let's talk about on point. The first step and the first way to get into this job is to go through the big four page, like their official website. Suppose example Deloitte, okay, you can go to the Deloitte career page and you can find suitable job for you and you can apply from there. Your form will be, application will be shortlisted and they will call you, and I have already told the rounds, okay. Rounds are different in the different companies, okay, but the questions which are they are going to ask you is similar to that, and I have already told you in my one of my video, okay. So one way is to go through the website and find the job. Second way is to follow any HR company, okay, or to pay any HR company, or to go to any Naukri.com or any job portal, and there they will also list down the application or the openings in the big fours, and you can join from there, okay. The second way, okay. The third way, which is my favorite and which I think is much easier, okay, is through the LinkedIn. Through the LinkedIn, there are again two ways to follow your company, follow your dream company, and not only about big four, okay. Depending upon your any interest, okay, if you want to get into any kind of job, you can use this method, okay, and find very relevant, okay. The first way through LinkedIn is to follow the LinkedIn page of the all big companies which you want to get into, okay, and follow all the manager level of your department. Means Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for tax analyst also. Deloitte is hiring for audit also. Deloitte is hiring for other business also which they are working on. So suppose you want to get into tax, direct tax analyst. So just follow Deloitte page and the all the managers, okay, who are working in the tax analyst department, okay, or tax department of direct tax, okay. Manager, assistant manager you can follow, or senior assistant you can follow, and also follow the HR of that company, okay. When you follow them, okay, when you send them request, okay, and they accept it with a gratitude, say them thanks, say them that you are happy to connect with them, okay. This initiate your way of conversation, and you can talk much thing, you can ask anything to them. If they are nice, they are going to write you back, okay. And most of the people are going to write you back, okay, if you are asking the appropriate question and you are in professional way, okay. The first way I have told you about LinkedIn. The reason I am telling you to follow them, because when they are hiring, okay, they are going to post it on the LinkedIn, and they do post that, okay, Deloitte is hiring for this role, you can apply, okay, and you can apply through mail. You can just send your resume to the a common mail of a company. The first way of LinkedIn. And second way, and much effective, and my favorite, which I follow, and I have done this to get every job which I have done in my life till date, okay, is to through referral. Okay, many people talk about that. uh, you can apply from direct website and all and all and all. Okay, yes, you can apply. The success rate of this strategy which I am going to tell you is higher than any job strategy, okay, which I have personally followed, okay, and this has worked for me, and this will work for you also if you have done, if you are going to do in the right way. Okay, तो पहला चीज़ है, जैसे मैं आपको बोला, फर्स्ट थिंग इज टू फॉलो द कंपनी पेज एंड फॉलो द मैनेजर लेवल एंड असिस्टेंट मैनेजर एंड सीनियर लेवल of that company. Okay, and don't just follow one and two, follow at least 10 requests, at least 20 or 25 or 100 also. The reason I'm telling you, if you are sending requests to 50 people, 20 are going to accept it, okay, and in 20, 10 are going to reply you back when you do greeting, now thank you for accepting, good morning and all. Okay, and don't do good morning and all, just talk the appropriate things, like you can talk about the company culture, you can talk about their journey. When you talk about their journey, now if someone is texting me on the LinkedIn and asking, hey, how was your journey, how you started your career in the tax analyst, how it is going, okay, I will feel happy. Okay, some other people are interested in my life and they want to know my career. Okay, I will feel proud because some people wants to know me. This is kind of different level feeling, okay, to have someone interested in you. Okay, so when they accept your request, you are sending to 100 people, 30 are accepting you, 15 are replying to you, okay, and 10 will be reply you regularly, okay, when you talk to them. So follow them, talk to them, okay, and when opening comes, okay, and track your openings through anything, through website, noki.com, or any this one hiring a company, okay, manager or LinkedIn. Just you get to know that Deloitte is hiring, okay, and now you have already made a connection with the company through the manager level. Talk to them nicely that, hey, suppose example, Ram, hey Ram, good morning, kind of thing. Hey Ram, I came to know that US taxation is sorry, Deloitte is hiring for US taxation role, okay, and I am keenly interested in this job, okay, and you can drop the message, okay, there are openings, okay, now they will ask you for your resume, okay, if you have made your connection right, if you have made your relationship strong enough, okay, don't use LinkedIn like a Facebook, Instagram or WhatsApp, okay, where you just texted someone, hi, hello, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या खा रहे हो करके, and forget. No, you are there to make network, and at this age, if you are in PC, now your job is to make networks, not friends. Remember, don't make just friends, make networks, okay, because that is going to help you in your career. So now you have connected to me. I'm working in Big Four. Okay, you have good bond with me. You are talking to me regularly. Okay, now you are coming to me and asking, hey Deepak, I want this job, and I saw there is an opening. Okay, I saw in your post or I saw on the page. Okay, can you please refer me? It will take nothing for me, right? I will take your resume, okay, I will forward to the manager, HR manager, and they will call you back and set a schedule meeting and interview, and if you are fit, then you are hired. Simple. Now the second benefit, why they are going to take your resume and forward to them, because of referral program of the company. Every big company have the referral program for the employee. Means if I am working in the Big Four, suppose it's Deloitte, okay, if I am referring someone, if I am referring you, okay, for this tax analyst job, and you are hired also, okay, my company will give me 10,000 of rupees depending upon the policy. In my company, if I am referring a tax analyst candidate, and if they are getting hired, I will get straight 10,000 rupees in my bank account during my salary payout. Interesting, na? So without doing anything, I have earned 10,000 rupees. If I have referred assistant manager level employee and they got hired, I will get 25,000 rupees easily without doing anything. Just I am forwarding the resume. And wait, now you will ask me why they will get paid, why company will pay you for referring. They can hire from anywhere. See, I am the current employee of this company. Company knows me. Company knows me that okay, I am working well. If I am referring someone, means I know you. Okay, I have trust in you. Okay, and this will create a good environment in the company. Okay, that people know each other. Okay, so company का cost वहाँ पे नीचे होता है, hiring cost होता है. Okay, if they are going through the Noki.com or any portal, चार्जेस लगते हैं. दे पे द पोर्टल, दे पे द कंसल्टेंसी कंपनी, वहाँ पर नहीं लग रहा है. सो दे गिव दैट अमाउंट टू द एम्प्लॉय भी हैप्पी, रेफरल भी आ रहा है और ट्रस्टवर्दी एम्प्लॉय भी आ रहा है. करेक्ट. नाउ why I am telling you this, forget about referral money. Okay, some people do refer because of your behavior, because of your confidence, because of your passionate of about the job. Okay, because you have been talking to them, they are happy with you. Now, why I'm asking you to go with the referral? Okay, because this works 100%. Why I'm telling you? Suppose I am the manager of Deloitte, okay, of tax department, okay, or any team. Okay, I have been working for 2 and 3 years or maybe 10 years, any number of amount. I am at manager level. I have built my trust. I have knowledge. I have confidence in myself. I know how this works. Okay. Now, when company is hiring you, hiring for tax analyst, and I am referring you to the company, how company is going to think? Company will think, wow, Deepak is referring someone. Deepak is trustworthy. He is working well. Okay. If he is referring someone, means he is reliable. Okay, right? He will be working fine. Okay, because Deepak is referring. Okay, because company has trust in me and I am having trust in you. Okay. So वहाँ पे when I refer and go to the manager or HR manager, they are straight going to call you that hey, when you will send a mail, okay, your resume to me, I will forward to the team will apply. Okay, you will get mail, okay, that someone has referred you. Okay, now there will be the interview process. Okay, second benefit, first benefit is your resume is already shortlisted. You are not going to get into the rush of the public where if you are applying for Noki.com, thousand thousand of application comes, right, and they will shortlist, okay, on the basis of some keywords. Okay, they don't read your resume. Remember, companies don't go through your resume during the first phase of hiring. They just shortlist, filter your resume with the keywords they want to hire for. Okay. Okay, so पहला काम आसान. Okay, then second, you have applied, you have been shortlisted. Now the time will come for the interview. Since I am manager, okay, I also take interview. Okay, I am giving the example. I also take interview. I know what kind of answer, what kind of question I am going to ask, what kind of question company is going to ask their candidate, and what are the answers, and what kind of answers, or the way of answer they are expecting from the candidate. They can guide you, okay, and tell the exact things. Okay, no, not they are going to leak the secret, but yes, they are going to guide you well, by which you can easily get selected. So this was the third way of getting a job, which is my favorite, and this worked effectively. Few people will ask me how to get reference from the LinkedIn, how to search a particular employee whether he's working in the same department or not in certain company. Okay, there is a certain way. There is a simple way of searching it on the LinkedIn. Simply we have to do the filtering. The same process you do on the Facebook when you want to search someone from the certain city, someone from the certain company, someone from the certain place, or someone from the certain college or any kind of place. Same way on LinkedIn we can do that. Okay, I will share maybe next time, okay, how to search effectively to find a person on the LinkedIn and to get connected with them. So stay tuned. I'm going to upload it very soon. Meanwhile, find out by yourself, spend time on LinkedIn and get it done. This is the how you are going to learn it very effectively by yourself, or you can take the help of Google, YouTube, Baba. Again, now you will ask me how to search people. Easy है यार. मैं इसमें तो नहीं बता सकता पूरा कैसे करना है, बट गो टू लिंक्डइन, एक्सप्लोर इट. ओके, यू विल गेट टू नो हाउ टू सर्च. फेसबुक चलाना आता है, इंस्टाग्राम चलाना आता है, ये भी सीख जाओगे. ये भी सोशल मीडिया है, बट फॉर नेटवर्किंग, फॉर द प्रोफेशनल, फॉर द जॉब. ओके, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो सर्च ऑन द यूट्यूब ऑल्सो. ओके, बट एनीवेज, व्हेन आई विल find time, will time, I will come, I will make video on the laptop and I will try to show how to search effectively. तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय, टेक केयर, जय संडे, और मुझे निकलना.